Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, remove furniture, tape plastic, and ventilate the room. You want a clean workspace. Next, test paint adhesion by pressing a fingernail, identify all loose flakes. Once located, score edges with a utility knife so repairs feather into sound paint. Use a metal or plastic scraper at a low angle to lift failing paint. Make sure to wear gloves and a dust mask. Keep a waste bin for debris. These are the first actionable repairs that stop further peeling. Once the loose paint is removed, you must inspect the substrate, wood, plaster, or drywall and fix any damage. Apply spackle or joint compound into hollows. Scrape smooth with a putty knife and let it cure fully. Then sand the patched and surrounding area to feather the edge, start coarse, then finish finer for a uniform surface. Make sure to remove all dust. Vacuum, tack cloth, and a damp wipe so primer bonds properly. These steps create a stable base that prevents future peeling. Now you prime the repaired area. Use a high adhesion or stain blocking primer and extend 2 to 3 inches past repairs so edges blend. Once primer is dry, apply thin, even coats of paint rather than one thick coat. Follow dry times and keep room temperature stable. Make sure to feather each coat and inspect for texture mismatches. If peeling recurs, test for moisture behind paint or poor adhesion. In stubborn cases, switch to an oil-based or bonding primer and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.